Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Elf-Felt in anime Vanguards. Elf-Felt is a highly sought-after unit in the popular Roblox game, known for its powerful abilities. We'll focus on an easy method to help you acquire and effectively utilize this unit, ensuring you can enhance your gameplay. Understanding how to get the Elf-Felt portal is your first crucial step. To obtain the Elf-Felt portal, you have a couple of options. Completing any act from the Edge of Heaven story mode gives you a 2% chance of it appearing. Alternatively, clearing the Shining Castle Legend stage offers a slightly higher 4% chance. If you're lucky, the portal will spawn directly at your base immediately after your victory. Once the Elf-Felt portal appears, interact with it to transport everyone in your stage to a special 20-wave survival mode. Successfully completing this challenging mode rewards you with the unique Elf-Felt unit. Elf-Felt possesses powerful abilities, including Love Shot, which can convert enemies into allies, and Shotgun Loop, for rapid attacks. To maximize Elf-Felt's potential, understand that she excels as a boss killer and burst damage unit. Her Shotgun Loop ability is crucial for activating her passive buffs, significantly increasing her damage output. Experiment with her abilities to find the best combos for different situations. For those interested in personal finance, check the description for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.